Let's quickly learn how to change the language in Jio Hotstar. Welcome back to Howgenic everyone. If you want to change the current language that you have inside of your Jio Hotstar application, for example, if it is currently selected to English and if you want to change it to Hindi, let me show you the way on how it is done. So let's head over to the app of Jio Hotstar. Once you're inside of your application, make sure that you are inside of the section of MySpace, which is on the bottom right, and then head over to Help and Settings, which you'll be able to see on the top right of the screen. Once you tap on Help and Settings, in order for you to change your language, the third option in this list is the option of App Language. Just tap on this option right here, and you'll be able to see all of the available languages that you can change to. You can scroll through and pick the one that you want. Once you selected the language that you want to change to, you'll see the option called Change Language. You can just tap on this button, and as soon as you do that, the entire language of your application will be changed. If it does not change for some reason, you can just hop out of the app, clear it from the recent app list, and then you can open it again. So you can just clear the Jio Hotstar application from your recent apps like this, and then open it again so that the language of the platform will be now changed. If this guide video was helpful, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.